Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and I'm going to give you an overview of these, I would call them futuristic looking tennis shoes and why they may be for you. So it's coming to reach out to me and said, Ryan, can you do a little overview? I don't think anybody's seen anything like this before. I said, of course I will, but in no way whatsoever with these being provided to me affect this review because I am just here to keep it real. These things are very different, and I'm going to highlight them in this video. And they're just different in a very fun way. So some highlights and things for you. The first thing you might notice is the whole bottom tread. These things are futuristic and are actually kind of fun to walk in. Now the bottom here, this structure right here is a hard plastic. Right here is hard. The bottom is a rubber grip material. It has like a flame type design to it. It kind of matches the overall theme. This piece right here, this bottom internal, I guess it's a second layer of the old bottom here, is also hard. So it's like definitely a hard plastic of some sort. This piece here is also hard, but it does have, as you can see, it's like hinged. The overall comfort is on point. So the cushion on the inside in here definitely has some good cushion to it. Some other things from a comfort standpoint is that this whole outside is actually very loose. It almost feels like a snug, I'm just gonna give you like a sock. And so it's not hard. You can see here it kind of collapses down nice and neat. And so if you're looking for something that kind of just grips, but it doesn't have like a lot of unnecessary padding or anything here from a structure standpoint, it's basically just it's kind of soft. It's kind of soft like that. It does have some decorative designs here on the side. It does have this decorative lace that kind of goes here, and that is fixed. So that's not something that you would adjust or tighten. It does have this on the rear end that you would use for, I guess, if you're going to hang these up on display, or just kind of looks kind of cool. Has super play on the back. Also has a red tag here that says Super Play as well. There's a variety of different styles that these come in. This just happens to be more of the white color design. It has sort of almost like a graffiti type look to it there in this particular one, which is red, black, and white. The tongue, that's another thing. The tongue on these is also very different than what you would experience in a traditional, maybe what you would assume a shoe would look like, because there really is no tongue. It's all one piece, as you can see here. Very, very different, but cool at the same time. Now, sizing on these is right on point. So a 10 would be a 10, right on point as far as the size is concerned. So when you put these on, it's pretty easy. You just slip your foot in there, and the tongue and everything is good to go. And it fits and feels quite nice because of the internal cushion that comes inside the shoe. So on the extra height you're gonna get out of these, you're getting probably about an inch and a quarter or so right at where your heel is, depending on the weight pushing down, and then about an inch right here in the front from an overall height standpoint when you're wearing these bad boys. So if you're looking for a shoe for style or for running, or for just everyday use, hopefully this answers any questions you might have, and we'll talk to you soon.